Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to buy USA eSIM on Maya Mobile. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your desktop browser and navigate to the Maya Mobile website at maya.net. Once you get into your account or once you get into the website, rather, click on the login button at the top right corner of your screen. So in there, enter your mobile number and password to access your account. Once you are in your account, like I have in here, go ahead and check the top of your screen. You have Travel eSIM for business, how it works, coverage, explore, and help. Select Travel eSIM and it's going to take you here. We have wide array of options, including regional eSIM plans and popular travel eSIM plans. So under popular travel eSIM plans category, go ahead and select USA because we are looking for USA, and that's going to walk you into this window where we have USA plus eSIM plans, get fast 4G/5G data and the best coverage throughout the United States, including Hawaii, with one prepaid eSIM data plan. Now, once you get in here, you have your USA eSIM plans and pricing, and I have a list of available eSIM plans which are here. So go ahead and select the one that you want. Okay, so just review the available USA eSIM plans that are here, and it may include different data allowances and duration. So select the plan that best suits your needs. Let's say I want to get this one. Now click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, that is going to walk you right into here, the checkout page. So you have the data plan options for you to just review the plan. If you want to stay online with automatic data refills, you can go ahead and check this box or just click on this button. It means you top up automatically when usage reaches 90%, and read all of these things that are inclusive. Now once you do that, go ahead and click on the review and pay button, and that's going to walk you right into the next page, which is where you need to add your credit card. So add your credit card number, expiry date, security code, and just pay with $86, or you can choose to pay with PayPal or Google Pay. Once you are done, go ahead and click on pay button. Of course, you can check the order summary at the right corner to see exactly what you want. Now I have added something from the cart that's an initial one. I just want to remove that. So that's why it's 86. It's supposed to be 40 something. I just want to pay for one, so that's why I clicked on remove from cart. So I have just one left, so it's $43. If you want to add a new SIM, click on this add a new SIM button, but just go ahead and click on pay once you're done reviewing everything. Now after completing the purchase, you receive an email or notification with instructions on how to activate your USA eSIM. Just follow the instructions and you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.